Euro dollar daily forecast, December 30th, fxempire.com. The euro dollar pair fell during the session on Thursday originally after the 10-year Italian bond auctions came out with a lackluster but reasonable performance. The real fear was the after market trading that in the secondary market saw the 10-year Italian bond push up over the 7% level, a level that the markets feel are completely unsustainable. Because of this, traders ran from the euro and towards the perceived safety of the US dollar. The later hours of the session saw the euro manage to hold as it bounced back above the 129 level, and as a result, the pair got a nice bounce as there simply wasn't enough firepower in the markets to take the pair much lower. The low volume probably exaggerated the down move as well as the up move, and most traders are just simply not in the markets right now. With this in mind, we have to take the price action with a little bit of a grain of salt. The sovereign debt issues continue around the European Union, and there is a massive amount of funding needed in the first quarter of 2012. With this in mind, we are very bearish to the euro going forward, but the daily bounce did produce a perfect hammer after the fall on Wednesday. Because of that hammer, it looks likely that the pair will continue to rise in a dead cat bounce of sorts, and in fact, the top of the Thursday candle is technically a buy signal. However, we think this would only be a short-term scalp at best. As you can see, there's a lot of noise just above it. We prefer to sell this pair as it bounces, as the trend is currently to the downside. The breaking of the bottom of the Thursday range would have us selling, as well as any weakness that we see in rallies. We think that the breakdown will continue, but this is more likely going to happen in January when the volume comes back into the markets. The rallies have all been perfect selling opportunities, and until we get a daily close above 135, we simply don't see the point in buying this. We are willing to sell rallies with weakness. We are willing to sell a break of Thursday's lows, and we are willing to sell a daily close below 129.